Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to turn on dark mode in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display. Now here at the top you can see two options, light mode and dark mode. Now if you select dark mode, and you can see in my phone dark mode is enabled successfully. Now if you have to set schedule for dark mode, just tap on schedule. Now by tapping here you can turn on schedule for dark mode. Now here you can see two options, sunset to sunrise and custom. I suggest you to select sunset to sunrise, and that's it. Now if you go to your home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, then swipe down one more time. Now here you can see dark mode option. You can also enable or disable dark mode from here. And that is how you can turn on dark mode in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.